General Secretary of All India Congress Committee, but the Kmi Sengsan Patray Congress Hameklia, Manish Chatrath, Ulawan Hair Janong Bashlong, step up Santrek Nawing, Achar Puay, Adin Bakharamut MLA Party, Klapetnoch All India Trinamool Congress, Hakamir Arp Soutrek Nawing, Achar Puay. President Kameklia Pradesh Congress Committee, Babinsan Pala, Lem MLA Party, Baguntobi Ba Mahendro Rapsang, Ba Process T Saukmi, Lem Dr. M. Amprin Lindo, Kleshong Jingilang Kyrkieh, Matsungan Chatrath, Hayingsa Abapala, Norim Hills. Congress Kadan Stang sanut MLA pagentopik tay gilangut nalor ba mineral bonds lem ba kim farmer banyang kim klemwan segani kichingelang akani kasngi laidon lang de MDC ke Congress pagentopi ba kabri alwalang ba fanden je lakadong ba pensinganyan lem kiwe pat kinokit kam ke Congress.
Last night I got to know about this, and as early as I could reach here in Shillong, I reached this afternoon, say around 12:31, and now I have had meeting with MLAs, the rest of the MLAs and our PCC president, and we are looking into the situation now. Whatever was the news yesterday has happened, so it seems like a case of a personal ambition riding over party ideology and faith in the party. So I think it is time for us to strengthen ourselves, especially in those constituencies where these 12 MLAs have left the party. See, in politics there is no shock. These things do happen, and Congress is an old party, is a national party, is a big party. Congress is a very big party, and we have seen all this. So on certain times such things do happen, but then I've seen people coming back also. So let's see. I mean, I don't want to say anything about the other party as of now. My main aim, my main objective, my main goal is to strengthen my own organization in Meghalaya, which along with my PCC president and other members, I'll be doing. On a personal note, I am not a person who will do a politics of disgrace. My politics has always been very graceful. So I am not here to criticize anybody. What has happened, what they have done, it is their decision. They have gone, it is their decision. Nobody has compelled or forced them. What has happened has happened. Now we have to strengthen our own party. See, strategy, it will take time. All these things do take time. Today we've just reached. It is something which we also, obviously somebody goes from the family. It takes time. So, but then there are new people who will join also. As it is, Indian National Congress membership drive is on. New people are joining also. There's a good response of the membership in Meghalaya also, I've been told. So there'll be new faces coming in, and it'll definitely, if we have enough of time before 2023 elections, we have around 14 months as of now, and we'll prepare ourselves well. And as I see in Meghalaya, people of this state, they love Congress. See, little bit infighting is always there in politics. But something which harms the party is not good, irrespective of any leader. I can have differences with anybody in the party, but that doesn't mean that I will harm the party. Because party is bigger than anybody. No responsibility. He has been the leader of the opposition. It was his response. He was the main responsible person along with the PCC president through and through. And he's been former CM also. He's been CM for 7 years. So, I mean, now you can't say all these things, that there was no responsibility and all. What has happened has happened. See, looking back will not serve any purpose. So we have to build the party, especially in those 12 constituencies where our MLAs have gone. No, you tell me one thing. Which are the two parties in Meghalaya you see? You from Meghalaya, you tell me two parties. Is there any third party? There are some other parties also. But how do you see TMC? Tell me. And as I told you earlier, I am not going to comment on any party like this. It is too early. Basically, I'll tell you, it has become a fashion these days. People leaving, joining here, some poaching there. It has become a fashion.